If you want to get iPhone ringtone on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, then first of all we're gonna go to the Play Store and we need to search for an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So I'm gonna just write iPhone ringtone over here. There we go. And then let's see, I'm gonna choose this app as an example. Let's install it. Of course, feel free to try any other app. You don't have to use the same one. Many different apps also offer the iPhone ringtone, but I'm gonna use this one as an example. So over here we're gonna press consent. If you see an ad, then of course we can just close it after a short while. There we go. Let's allow access to audio on this device, music, and we need to grant access to system permission, right? Yeah. So we have allow modifying system settings. So let's turn this on so that the app can actually change our ringtone. And now over here we have different iPhone ringtones, so we can tap on any of them in order to have a preview of the ringtone. And if you like the ringtone, we can tap on these three dots over here on the right side, and then we can press ringtone over here. Let's tap here. Let's close the ad, and there we go. We have set successfully. So I'm gonna press OK, and let me quickly call myself in order to see if it is actually set up. So let's hear it. And there we go. As you can hear, we have set up the iPhone ringtone. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!